Today I'm going to tell you if the 35mm Olympus Mju series is worth your money. It's a little 35mm point and shoot camera, and here are all my thoughts about it. Hi, I'm Diana. I'm a wedding photographer, and here's some photos I've taken on this camera. As you can see, there's a good variety of flash during the day, there's flash at night, as well as no flash at all. And overall, it has a pretty cool vibe to it, and it is very easy to use. Let me quickly show you how to use it, and then I'll get into all the details of what I love and hate about it. I'm just going to get a little closer so you can see everything that I'm doing. First things first, we're going to take our camera, and in order to open it, you're just going to slide this open, and the lens should come out. If you would like to zoom in with your camera, this toggle right here is what you will use. And when you do use it, you'll see that the lens will extend. To take a photo, all you have to do is press this button right over here. And if the camera decides that it's too dark in the room, the flash will just automatically go off. In order to turn the camera off, all you're going to do is just take this piece in the front like we opened it, and you're going to just kind of push it. The lens will hide, and then you can fully close it. If you're looking where the battery goes, it's actually going to be right over here in the bottom. There's a little latch. It should open just like that. To load your film, you're going to go to the side of the camera right over here, and there's going to be an arrow. Once you press it up, the camera will pop open. Your film is going to go in at an angle. Holding this part down, you're just going to pull out a little bit of film. All you have to do is get the film to where the arrow is, and next we're going to close it, and this is where the magic happens. Literally, that's it, and now you're ready to shoot your camera. One more thing I forgot to mention. There is an interesting mode on this camera that when I was first shooting, I couldn't figure out why some of my photos had this really weird black frame around it. And there was not much online about it until I kind of played with my camera and figured it out. Right here, there's a little mode, and it's called panorama. It's very easy to accidentally toggle the switch when you're just like grabbing it out of your bag or turning your camera on and off. And when I first got this camera, we accidentally toggled it, which caused our photos to have this really weird like black crop around it. So if you see that in your photos, that is why. As you can see, this camera is very easy to use. There are not many settings to worry about. It is basically all automatic, and all you have to do is just point and shoot. That's going to be a good thing, but this can also be a bad thing. I've definitely had a few times where I'm trying to kind of focus the camera. When you like gently press on the trigger button, you can like slightly focus it for half a second, but if you hold it for too long, the camera starts to kind of focus in and out, and so you could still get a soft focus photo. The other thing is the autofocus area is right in the middle of the camera. So if this is our rectangle that you're watching it on, the focus area is right over here, which sucks because you can't fully frame photos as you'd like, and you have to kind of think of that composition ahead of time, how you would want to maybe crop your photo later, if that's the center, to make sure you're not cutting off any feet, any arms, or you can do that little trick where you gently press focus for half a second, focus on your subject, and then kind of move it and get the picture like at the angle you want. But then you do risk that soft focus if the camera kind of focuses in and out. Because it is a fully automatic camera, you can't control when the flash goes on or goes off. You might be wanting to take a photo without flash, but the flash will go off because the camera considers the photo too dark. Or you might want flash to go off at a certain time during the day for that flash daytime filmy look, but the camera decides it's too bright, and so the flash will not go off. Overall, I would say with how small and light it is amazing for its size. It's very easy to use. I love the built-in flash. I love the fact that you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and overall the quality has been really great. The only downside I've experienced with this camera thus far is at one point the battery started to die, but there was no indication of it on the camera. The way I found out that my battery was dying is because I got a full roll of photos back that I was really excited for, and they were all blurry. Because when the camera is dying, I guess, the autofocus doesn't have enough power to fully find the focus. So that has been the biggest issue I've experienced so far with this camera. And that is something that if you are using it for like a professional use, it is something you should keep in mind. When it comes to professional use, I do not think that this should be your only film camera if you are offering film to clients. If you're shooting film just for fun and your clients are not really expecting it, then it's a really fun add-on and it's really easy to implement into your workflow. But if you are promising your clients some beautiful 35mm film and they are looking forward to it, I would not rely on this camera because you never know with the battery. There are a lot of moments you can't control and you don't fully know when the flash will go off and so on and so forth. I'm going to show just a couple more photos that I've taken on it, all the good ones and all the bad ones. As you can see, when the flash does go off indoors, it is beautiful, it looks amazing, and even outdoors too, there are some really great moments. But then again, at night, sometimes when it's too dark, the flash won't reach and the camera doesn't focus, or when the battery was dying, some of the photos came out blurry, unfortunately. All right, thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun making this video, and I hope this helped you make your decision on whether or not you would like to get the Olympus Mju series. You can subscribe and like, I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you, bye.